This driver was cruising with his wife when all of a sudden a reckless SUV driver cut him off and crashed right into the driver. They saved the dashcam footage, but what happens next is wild. The cam driver understood that they're insurance scammers, and he decided to let them act all along. Then they both started to talk in Spanish language. This act of theirs confirmed that they are certified scammers, so the cam driver decided to let them act.
Get out of the road.
No, we're getting out of the road! No! We're getting out of the road!
And once he knew that, he collected all the evidence to show to the police. They left them behind immediately.